Hello everyone, and welcome to another Pixie Dust Dolls production. Today I'm going to show you how I am renovating Tinkerbell's treehouse. This is the Hearth Hand Treehouse by Magnolia, and as you all know, this is where Tinkerbell lives in our miniverse. Now, this treehouse is adorable just the way it comes, but it's also a little plain. The walls are very neutral and the wood is unstained pine. So I've decided to dress mine up and give it some fairy tale farmhouse style. And while Tink may not enjoy the renovation process, she's gonna love the end result. Alright, so let me show you what I've done so far. The first thing I did was cover the inner walls with wallpaper. This is digital scrapbook paper that I printed out. I bought it off of Etsy for about $3, and it looks like aged whitewashed wood. Now, I was pretty nervous about this step because wallpapering is not my forte. It inevitably wrinkles and ends up looking like a 3-year-old pasted it on. But this time I used a product called, well, I used this, Grandmother Stover's StikFlat glue. And it promises that it won't curl your paper. So I gave it a try and it worked. For the first time I have wrinkle-free wallpaper. And as you can see here, when I was applying this StikFlat glue, I used a foam brush. That wasn't really probably the right way to do it. The foam brush sort of fell apart after a little bit. In hindsight, I should have used a bristle brush. So if you're using this, don't do what I did. I would suggest using a bristle brush, not a foam brush. After papering the inside, I stained all the wood, and for this step, I did have to take apart the house from the floor and balcony. And the stain I use is actually a mix. It's this is the brand, but it's actually a mix of natural and early American. Sometimes I like just straight natural, but in this case I wanted something just a little bit darker. And this blend gave the wood some depth, but it got rid of that yellow hue that natural sometimes gives off. And I also stained the outside windows with that same color and the door trim. So you can see that's all that natural and early American mix. And I still need, turn this back around, I still need to stain the inside windows, which I'm probably going to do today. And I'm also going to finish cutting out the rest of the windows. As you can see, I definitely do not do things in order. So there's your quick update on Tinkerbell's treehouse and what I've done to it so far. And I think it's going to turn out really nice. I'm really excited with the way it is turning out. I love this wallpaper. I love that rustic wood look. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I will be back soon showing even more progress that I've made on this treehouse.